Good morning, children. How are you all? I know that you are doing well at home, right, children? Yes. Today I am going to start our chapter 2, children. For chapter 1, I will send notes, children. Please write the given notes in the classwork, children. Maintain a classwork for that. And coming to the worksheets, children, I didn't get all worksheets from you, children. I got only a few worksheets, children. Remaining children, please complete worksheets and send to me. Okay, children? Yeah. Before going to start our chapter 2, I want to recollect some previous knowledge on this concept, children. Yeah. Here I have some pens in this box. So now what I am going to do, I am taking some pens into my right hand, children, and some pens into my left hand. Yes, children? Yeah, now tell me, children, how many pens I have in my right hand? What we have to do? Very good, children. We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Yes. Suppose I am saying suppose I have 10 pens in my right hand. Now coming to the left hand. How many pens I have in my left hand? Suppose I am saying suppose 15 pens I have in my left hand. Right, children? Yeah. Now what I am doing, see, children? I am putting together all these pens in the box. What I did there? What action I did there? Put together. Put together. Yeah, children, tell me how many pens I have in my right hand? In my right hand, I have 10 pens. In my left hand, how many pens I have? Left hand, I have 15 pens, right, children? Yeah. What I did there? I put all pens together. So here this put together is nothing but addition. What is this? This is addition. Putting together is nothing but addition. Putting together is nothing but addition. So what we have to do to get now tell me, children, how many pens are there in this box? How do you get total pens? How do you get? What we have to do? We have to add. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this now how many pens I have? In total I have 25 pens. So what I did there? Just addition. Okay, children? So today's our chapter is, I am going to start our chapter 2, adding and subtracting large numbers. What is our chapter 2? Adding and subtracting large numbers. So what is meant by addition? Putting together. Yeah, children, tell me, children, what is the symbol of addition? Very good. Plus. Addition symbol is plus. What is addition symbol? Plus is the symbol of addition. And now I am going to take an example, children. Take a 4-digit number. 2186 is a 4-digit number, right, children? What are the places? Yeah, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Yeah, next another number 3000. So what is this number? It is 2186. Yes, now take another number 3929. What is the second number? 3929. Now I am going to add these two numbers. Okay, children? Now how to add? First we have to add the digits at ones place. Okay, children? Then if any carryovers are there, please forward them to the next place, means to the tens place. Carryovers are regrouped to the next place. Next, add the digits at tens place. Okay, children, carry overs are regrouped to the hundreds place. Next, add the digits at hundreds place. After that, if carry overs are forwarded to the thousands place, finally add the digits at the thousands place. Okay, children, this is vertical addition. This is we are taking the vertical addition now. So 6 plus 9, how much, children? 6 after open, take 9 fingers. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 plus 9 is how much, children? 15. So first 5, ones place, tens place. So 5 write in ones place. Cut. And this one is the carry over is forwarded to the next place, that is to the tens place. So one is forwarded to the tens place. Now add digits at tens place. Add digits at tens place. Now 1 plus 8, how much, children? Very good, 9. 9 plus 2, how much, children? 10, 11. So 11 right here. So first one write in the tens place, and the carry over one is forwarded to the hundreds place. So carry over right here. Now 1 plus 1, 2. How much, children? 2. 2 plus 9, how much, children? Very good, 11. 2 plus 9 is 11. Again 1 right in the hundreds place, and the carry over is forwarded to the thousands place. So write 1 here. Now add the digits at thousands place. 1 plus 2, how much, children? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3, how much? 4, 5, 6. 6. So what is this number? It is 6,115. What is this number? It is 6,115. We have to put the comma after each period. After each period we have to put the comma. What are the periods, children? I already told you. Ones, tens, hundreds. These together form one period, that is ones period. What is that? Ones period. That is known as ones period. Next, thousands, 10,000s. These two places together form one group, that is known as thousands period. Thousands period. And next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10,000s after what place will come? Lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs together form one period, that is lakhs period. That is known as lakhs period. So here after each period we have to put the comma. So ones, tens, hundreds place is one period. So put the comma. Next after thousands place. Next after lakhs place. In that way we have to put the commas. Have you understood, children? Yes, very good. So in this chapter 2, in this 4th class, we are going to learn about addition of a 5-digit number and 6-digit number. So first we are going to do addition of a 5-digit number. Addition of 5-digit number. So I am going to take a 5-digit number here. 21,189. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 5-digit number. So write down the places. What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. A 5-digit number shows how many places? 5 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now the next number is 18,200. 18,281. What is the second number? 18,281. Now addition. What is the symbol of addition? Plus. I am going to add these two numbers. This is known as vertical addition. So first what we have to do? We have to add the digits at ones place first. If carry overs are there, they are forwarded to the next place. Then add the digits at tens place and carry overs are forwarded to the hundreds place. And add the digits at hundreds place and carry overs are forwarded to the thousands place. Add the digits at thousands place. If carry overs are there, they are forwarded to the 10,000s place. Finally, add the digits at 10,000s place. Okay, children? So, first add the digits at ones place. So, first 9 plus 1. How much, children? Very good. 9 plus 1 is 10. So, ones place, tens place. So, 0 write in ones place. Cut it. And what about this one? This is the carry over is forwarded to the next place, that is to the tens place. So write carry over here. Now add digits at tens place. 1 plus 8, how much, children? Very good. 1 after open 8 fingers. So 1 plus 8 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8, how much, children? 9 plus 8 is, very good, 17. Yes, children, correct on you? Yes, am I right? So 7 write in tens place and this carry over is forwarded to the hundreds place. So write here. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, how much, children? Very good, 4. Next, come to the thousands place. 1 plus 8, how much, children? Very good, 9. Next, 2 plus 1 is 3. Now put the comma. So we have to put the comma after each period. So ones, tens, 100 is one period. So after 3 places, first comma. After that, after 2 places, we have to put the comma. So it is, what is this number, right? It is 39,470. Okay, children, have you understood? Yes. The next, note it down, children, please. You can pause the video and you can note. Now, I am going to explain addition of 6-digit number. Next is addition of 6-digit number. So now, addition of 6-digit number. Take a 6-digit number. 981306. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a 6-digit number. First write down the places, children. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place and lakhs place. What is the new place here? Lakhs place. Okay, a 6-digit number shows 6 places. What are those? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. Now take another number, that is 281067. What is this number? It is 9,81,306. Yes, children? And it is 2,81,067. Now add these two numbers. Plus. Addition means, what is the symbol of addition? Plus. So first add the digits at ones place. So 6 plus 7, how much, children? Very good, is 13. 6 plus 7 is 13. So 3 write in ones place and 1 is forwarded to the tens place. So write 1 here. 1 plus 0, 1 only. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 0, how much, children? 3. Very good. If 0 is added to any number, you will get the same number as answer. Okay, the same number you will get. Next. 1 plus 1, how much, children? 2. Now, 8 plus 8, how much? 2 8s we have. 8 2s are 16. Yes, 16. So, 6 write in 10,000s place. Cut it and carry over 1 is forwarded to the next place, that is to the lakhs place. Okay children, now 1 plus 9, how much children? 10. Very good. 10 plus 2, 12. So here we have to write 12. Now how to put commas? After each period we have to put the comma. So ones, tens, 100 together one group. So put first comma. Next thousands, 10,000s. Thousands, 10,000s together is known as thousands period. So after thousands period we have to put the comma. Next lakhs and 10 lakhs. This is of course. So it is 12 lakhs 62,373. 12 lakh 62,373. 12 lakh 62,373. Have you understood children? Very good. Now next concept is number factors. I am going to take some number facts children. Number facts. Number facts. The first one is 110. 110 is equal to how many ones? Yes children, I know that you know the answer. 110 is equal to how many ones? 10 ones. 10 ones. Suppose how many fingers I have? 10 fingers. 10 individual fingers. Yes, now put together. So here I have together means 110 set here. So 110 has 10 ones. Okay children, 110 set has 10 ones. So 110 is equal to how much children? 10 ones. 110 is equal to 10 ones. Next, 100 is equal to how many tens? Yeah children, tell me how many tens? You know the 10 table? 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100. How do you write 100? 100 is equal to 10 into 10. 100 is equal to 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. So here we need to take 10 tens. 10 tens are 100. Have you understood children? Very good. Next, 1000. 1000 is equal to how many hundreds? Yeah, 1000 is equal to how many hundreds children? Yeah, so for example take 1000. How do you write this 1000 children? 100 into 10. Yes, 100 into 110 gives 1000. So 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 1000 is equal to how many hundreds? 10 hundreds. The next 110,000. 110,000. How do you write children? 110,000 means 10 thousands. Both are equal only. 110 means 10. 110. Thousands means 1000. 110, how do you write? 10 thousands. Both are same only. Next, 1 lakh. 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands children? 10 10,000. 10 10,000. Suppose 1 lakh means, write 1 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros will come. 1 lakh means. So how do you write this one? 1 lakh equal to 1000, 3 zeros into 10. 100 means 3 zeros means 1000. 100 means how do you write? 10 tens are 100. So 10 ten thousands. 10 ten thousands. 1 lakh is equal to 10 ten thousands. Have you understood, children? The last one. 110 lakh. How do you write? 110 lakh. How do you write? 10 lakhs. 110 lakh means 10 lakhs. Both are same only. 110 word. I wrote word here. Here I wrote number. 110 lakh means 10 lakhs. Both are same only. Have you understood, children? 110 is equal to how many ones? 10 ones. Very good. 100 is equal to how many tens? 10 tens. 10 tens are 100. And 100 ones. Yes. 100 ones. 110 is equal to 10 ones. 100 is equal to 10 tens are 100 means 100. 100 ones. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. And 1 10,000 means 10 thousands. 1 lakh is equal to 10 10,000s. Please note it down, children. Very important. Note it down. Yes. Very good. The next. Next time I am going to take some textbook problems, children. Page number 112. Page number 112. Exercise number 1.1. Exercise number 2.1. Third bit I am going to do now. Third bit. Add the numbers. Add the numbers and write the missing digits. From this I am taking a bit. 15,750 plus 1,21,825 is equal to 1 dash. So we have to add these two numbers and we have to write the missing digits here. So first number is 15,750. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. The next number is a 6-digit number. 1,21,825. Write down the places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. So the second number write down here. First we have to start from ones place. Okay. Start with ones place. What is the digit at ones place? 5. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So here in the second number, the digit at ones place is 5. What is the digit at tens place? 2. Next hundreds place, 8 is there. At thousands place, 1. 10,000s place, 2 is there. And at lakhs place, 1 is there. So here we have to put the 0 at lakhs place in the first number. Okay, children, now add plus. First what we have to do, we have to add the digits at ones place. Okay, so 0 plus 5, how much, children? The same number. If 0 is added to any number, the answer is the same. You will get the same number as answer. So 5 plus 2, how much, children? Very good, 7. 7 plus 8, how much, children? Very good, it is 15. So 5 right here in hundreds place, and 1 is the carry over, is forwarded to the thousands place. Now 1 plus 5, how much children? 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next, 1 plus 2 is, what is the answer? Very good children, 3. And 0 plus 1, what is the answer? I know that you know the answer, that is 1. So if 0 is added to any number, the answer is the same number. Okay. So now put the commas and read this number, children. How to put commas? We have to put the commas after each period. So ones, tens, hundreds after 1 comma. Thousands, 10,000s after 1 comma. Now read this number. It is 1,37,575. So now write down the missing digits. So at lakhs place 1 is there. And 10,000s place 3 is there. So write 3 here. Next come to the thousands place 7 is there. Next hundreds place what is the digit? 5. And tens place what is the digit? 7. At ones place what is the digit? 5. Have you understood, children? Very good. Shall we take one more example? Yes. Next, I want to take C bit. 99,999 plus 1,99,999 is equal to, we have to write the missing digits here. Now add these two and write the missing digits. So first number is 99,999. Yes, write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. Now write down the second number. We always start from ones place. Okay. So it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. So it's ones place 9 is there. Tens place 9. Hundreds place also 9 is there. Thousands place 9 is there. 10,000s place what is the number? 9. At lakhs place what is the digit? 1. Here put 0 at lakhs place. Now take addition. What is the symbol of addition? Very good, plus. Now add the digits at ones place first. 9 plus 9, how much children? Very good, 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 2s are 18. Yes? So 8, write in ones place. And carry over 1 is forwarded to the tens place. Now 1 plus 9, how much children? Very good, 10. 10 plus 9, how much children? 10 plus 9 is 19. Yes? So 9 write in the tens place and 1 is the carry over is forwarded to the hundreds place. 1 plus 9, how much children? 10. 10 plus 9 is? Very good, 19. So 9 write in hundreds place and 1 is forwarded to the next place to the thousands place. 1 plus 9, how much children? 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Yes? So 9 write in thousands place and 1 is the carry over is forwarded to the 10,000s place. 1 here. Now 1 plus 9, how much children? 10. 10 plus 9 is again 19. So 9 write in 10,000s place and 1 is the carry over is forwarded to the next place. What is next place, children? Very good, lakhs place. So write at the lakhs place. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah, now put the commas, children. After each period we have to put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds. So next thousands, 10,000s after 1 comma. So now read this one. It is 2,99,998. 2,99,998. Now write down the missing digits. So what is the digit at lakhs place? What is the digit? We have 2. So write 2 here. Next digit is 9. The digit at 10,000 place is 9. Yes? Do you have confusion? Lakhs, 10,000. Next, what is the digit at thousands place? 9. What is the digit at what is the digit at 10,000 place? 9. What is the digit at thousands place? 9. What is the digit at hundreds place? 9. Yes, children? What is the digit at tens place? 9. What is the digit at ones place? 8. Better you start from ones place, children, always. So what is the digit at ones place? 8. So write down 8 at ones place. What is the digit at tens place? 9. At tens place you have 9. What is the digit at hundreds place? Again 9. Hundreds place also 9. What is the digit at thousands place? 9 is there. At thousands place. What is the digit at 10,000s place? 9 is there. What is the digit at lakhs place? 2. Have you understood, children? Very good, children. Note it down. So the last. Now I want to give you some keywords for addition, children. What are the keywords for addition? Keywords. Especially we use these keywords while solving word problems. Like addition means put together. What I said? Put together. So one keyword is together. What else? The second one. Addition means total. Total. What is third one? Very good, children. Sum. What is fourth one? Very good. Combine. What is fifth one? You have any idea? Very good. In all. Together, total, sum, combine, in all. These are the keywords for addition. So, if you find these words in any word problem, we have to take addition. Okay, children, we use these keywords while solving word problems. Okay, children, have you understood? Yes. Very good, children. We will stop here and we will meet in the next class.